Hey, welcome to this video. In this video we talk about why is kidney cleansing important to your body. Before we start, it help us a lot if you click the like and subscribe for the future contents. Now let's start the video. Why is kidney cleansing important? Every day, your kidneys process the blood and helps to sift out waste products like mercury, copper, arsenic-bound chemicals and other toxins, and extra water. The waste and extra water become urine. The urine then flows to your bladder through the ureters. Your bladder stores urine until you go to the bathroom. When your kidneys become overloaded with toxins, diseases of the kidneys and bladder can happen as you are unable to discharge the waste and urine from your body. When you do kidney cleansing, you help to cleanse the toxin built up from the kidneys and the bladder. A cleansed kidney works optimally in its function to filter out pollutants, drugs, chemicals and other harmful materials. When you do a kidney cleanse, you also help to eliminate urinary tract infections and dissolve kidney stones. What are some of the other functions of the kidneys, you might ask? Other than being vital in the elimination of metabolic wastes, your kidneys also help to regulate your blood pressure, maintain fluid and electrolyte balance, activates vitamin D, helps in maintaining acid-base balance, excretes alkaline salts. Here are some signs and symptoms of a failing kidney. Lower back pain, edema, water holding in the lungs, legs, abdomen, etc., pains that are manifested elsewhere due to poor kidney health. How do you do a kidney cleanse? There are hundreds of herbal recipes, and many different homeopathic remedies used for cleansing kidney stones. One popular way to cleanse the kidney is to use a watermelon cleanse. Just purchase 20 to 100 kilograms of watermelon, which will make up a few huge melons, and sit in a bath filled with water. Eat all the watermelon throughout a day, as much as you can, while continually emptying your urinary bladder into the water. You will need a lot of liquid to cleanse the insides of your body. You can also choose to do water fast or a juice fast to help you produce a gallon of urine a day. During fasting, avoid strenuous exercise. Like yoga, walking, gardening are all excellent means to stimulate your body metabolism. However, do note that before you embark on any program, please first consult your health practitioner on how you can best do a kidney cleanse. How to have good kidney health. It is possible to dissolve all your kidney stones in 3 weeks, but if you continue to drink tea, coffee, carbonated drinks and eat unhealthily on a consistent basis, you will begin to make new ones. To maintain a healthy kidney, begin a regular exercise regime and also avoid alcohol, red meat, smoked meats, canned fish and canned pork. Continue to drink plenty of water and fluids every day. Also smash the like and subscribe for more videos.